So you've probably heard by now about the 90-minute delay um, in sending an emergency alert from Kerr County officials. And that's right, folks. You know, we're talking about a situation where people were waiting for help, and it took almost an hour to get that alert out. Now, I know you're thinking, how can this happen? How can a government agency fail so catastrophically in an emergency situation? Well, after digging deeper, it turns out that Kerr County officials did indeed experience some significant communication breakdowns during the crisis. The dispatch audio reveals some disturbing hesitation and lack of urgency on the part of those responsible for sending the alert. It's clear that something went terribly wrong, and it raises serious questions about the competence and accountability of our local government. I mean, imagine being in a situation where you're waiting for help and you can't even get an emergency alert sent out on time. It's terrifying.